Tired of feeling tongue-tied when it comes to speaking English? Do you want to move past the basics and start holding real conversations, but don't know how to fit practice into your busy schedule? You might think that becoming a confident English speaker takes years, but what if I told you there are simple, daily habits that can dramatically accelerate your progress? This is your ultimate guide to transforming your English skills. We're breaking down easy, beginner-friendly tips that show you exactly how to practice English every day and speak confidently and fast. Get ready to unlock your voice and start speaking English with fluency you never thought possible. Part 1. The mindset. First, let's change our mindset. Your goal is not to be perfect. Your goal is to be understood. Every single native speaker makes mistakes. The key is to start thinking of English not as a subject to study, but as a tool to use. And the best way to do that is to integrate it into your life. We're going to make English a habit. And remember, just 15 to 20 minutes every day is better than 3 hours once a week. Consistency is your superpower. Part 2. 5 easy daily habits. Okay, let's get into the 5 easy habits you can start today. Habit 1. The English bubble. Habit number 1. Create an English bubble. Change the language on your phone to English. Just for 30 minutes a day to start. You already know where everything is, so you'll learn words like settings, messages, and search without even trying. Also, follow fun English social media accounts, memes, cooking, travel, anything you like. This makes learning fun and passive. Habit number 2, listen and shadow. Habit number 2, listen and shadow. This is a powerful one. On your way to work, while cooking, or during a walk, listen to something in English. It could be a podcast for beginners, a catchy song, or even an audiobook. But here's the secret. Don't just listen. Shadow the speaker. Repeat what they say right after they say it. It feels silly, but it trains your mouth muscles and your brain to produce the sounds and rhythm of English. Try it with this. See? Easy. Habit 3. The 5-minute monologue. Habit number 3. The 5-minute monologue. Talk to yourself in English. In the shower, while driving, or looking in the mirror, just describe what you are doing. Say things like, I am making coffee. The coffee smells good. Today the weather is sunny. I am happy. It doesn't have to be complicated. This builds huge confidence because there is no one to judge you. You are your own best practice partner. Habit 4. 1 new sentence a day. Habit number 4. Learn 1 new sentence a day. Not just 1 word, 1 full sentence. For example, instead of just learning the word appointment, learn, I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow. Write it down in a notebook. Say it out loud 10 times. Try to use it in your 5-minute monologue. This way, you're learning vocabulary in context, which is how we actually speak. Habit 5. The what if game. And finally, habit 5. Play the what if game. Prepare for simple, common situations. Think, what if someone asks for my name? What if I need to order a coffee? What if someone asks about my weekend? Write down and practice your answers. My name is, can I have a coffee, please? My weekend was good, thank you. This removes the panic in real situations because you're prepared. Putting it all together. Now, what does a day look like with these habits? Morning, 5 minutes. Talk to yourself in English while getting ready. Use your new sentence. Commute, 10 minutes. Listen to an English song or podcast and shadow a few lines. Lunch break, 5 minutes. Scroll through your English social media bubble. Evening, 5 minutes. Write down your one new sentence for tomorrow. That's it. In less than 30 minutes, you've practiced listening, speaking, reading, and writing. You've done it all. The most important step is to start. Pick one of these habits and try it for the next 7 days. You will be amazed at how much more confident you feel.